Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to make money with PLR products, and I'm going to show you how to rebrand a private label rights video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment for a simple yet effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus, and today we're focused on making money with PLR by rebranding PLR videos. So the first thing you'll need to do is find some high quality PLR videos, just like what you see here on the screen. This is inside the Detox niche. This is a PLR product of mine. So what you have here is a 2020 Detox video pack that includes high quality 10 HD videos. And you can see here in the samples that the videos are done with the script actually with a text overlay over the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this video, take a sample of it, we're going to separate the audio from the video, and then we're going to record our own voice and then replace the voiceover of the video here with our own voice by reading the script of the sample video that you see here, sample video number 10. Once you purchase the PLR, the video PLR, what you'll do is you'll download that, and then you'll have an MP4, and you simply open that MP4 in your favorite editing software. For example, I'm going to use Camtasia. So you can see that once you open it up, you'll have the video, and you'll see the video and the audio are in the same track. So what you can simply do is you can split that or separate the video and the audio, and then you have two different tracks, the audio and the video. And what we're going to do is we're going to record our own voice, and we're going to replace that audio that was in the PLR with our own voice. So let's do that real quick. So we'll go back to the video, and what we'll do is we'll open that in a video player. I'm going to use VLC. So once you have that video all ready to play back inside of VLC, you'll go ahead and play it, and I'll play it here, and you can hear the voice that we're going to replace.
Foods are not the only tools you have in Detox. There are herbs, roots, spices, and even fungi which can be used to detox. Garlic, coriander.
So we're simply going to replace the voice that you heard in that video. That's about 12 seconds of audio that we're going to re-record just by playing the video and recording our voice in a separate tool. Of course, you can choose any tool to do this that you're comfortable with, or you can learn, but in this case, I'm going to use a application or a program called Audacity. So inside of Audacity, you have tons of settings here. It's a very simple, easy tool to use once you understand it. I've done a small tutorial using Audacity and Content Samurai. I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner. You can check that out. But for now, just know that we're using a built-in microphone, and all we're going to do is simply play the video in VLC player and then record our voice as we watch the video and read the script on the screen. So I'm going to open up the VLC player, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute that so there's no sound, and then I'm going to use my built-in microphone to record my voice as I watch this 12 seconds of audio, and I'm going to download that audio file and sync it up in Camtasia. Try a herbal detox. Foods are not the only tools you have in detox. There are herbs, roots, spices, and even fungi which can be used to detox. So once you have recorded the voiceover, all you do in Audacity is you simply go and you export it as an MP3. And you can see here that I'm going to export that as PLR voiceover, and I'm simply just going to save that in the same directory that we have our video, our PLR video that we're editing for ease of use. And I'll go ahead and save that. And then that'll be saved, and then we'll have that MP3 right there. And we'll be able to import that into Camtasia, which is the next step. So inside of Camtasia, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and import that media. Then you can see right there, now I have two voiceovers, and I'm simply going to delete this voiceover. Then I'm just going to sync up the voice and the video. And now when you play the video back, you'll hear my voice and see the video. Foods are not the only tools you have in detox. There are herbs, roots, spices, and even fungi which can be used to detox. So it's just that simple. what I've done is I've taken the PLR video, I've split the audio and video, so now you have a video track and an audio track. I simply went to Audacity, opened up the feature to record my voice, played the video inside of VLC, simply read the script, recorded the audio, saved the audio from Audacity, uploaded the new audio into VLC player, and at that point I have a completely rebranded video ready to use anywhere I like, on YouTube, on my own website, inside a paid membership site. It's literally rebranded with my voice. Of course, you could outsource this. You could have someone else do it. If you're not happy with your voice, there's many other ways to go about that when you're talking about how to make money with PLR and rebranding PLR video. As the example I've shown here, the 10 sample videos that are in the detox niche that are easily purchased. For example, right here on one of my products, 2020 Detox Video Pack. Of course, there'll be a link in the description. You can check that out. So if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. Click the 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this one. Check out this next video. Click that here on the end screen. Keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.